Hi everyone, been seeing a lot of new followers in the handle and thought I'll use this as an opportunity to talk to you all about our exclusive online program. For a lot of you who are new in here, we've launched Samridhi's online program, which is a comprehensive course because most online courses are printed media, as to say there is no connect with the content provider. So in our case, we've come up with Essentials of Bharathanatyam, a specific course which is a comprehensive course wherein the student can also take up live assessments and evaluation. And this is especially for beginners or people who are starting with learning Bharatanatyam for the first time, early and adult learners. There is no prerequisites to join this program, and you can also take up introductory session which is free as part of the program. All the details are given in our official website. You can go visit www.samridhidance.com and go into the training section and you can see the online program details. You can sign up using the link that is given in the website for the free introductory session where I can brief more details about this online program. This is highly comprehensive because you have a collective of material, instructive videos, practice audios, text and guideline materials, and all references that you need to build the foundation level understanding that is required in Bharatanatyam. So please do check it out and you can always DM me for any queries on this. Thank you.